guys, good morning. I got up just a little while ago. I got laundry going. I usually always start laundry in the morning. And I don't have the kids today, so yeah, it's gonna be a quiet day. I'm gonna get a lot done today. But first I'm gonna start feeding the animals. Good morning, Gypsy. Oh, here come the other two. Hi, girls. Claudia and Pumpkin. Good morning. The second I open the door, they are ready. Let's get you girls your breakfast. Here comes Henrietta. Are you ready for your breakfast too, Henrietta? You gotta stop eating this kitty food though. Girls, stop letting her eat your food. Come here, Henrietta. Come here. Where are you going? Come here. I just want to pet you like the kitties. This just makes my morning. Watching Henrietta. Gypsy, go get your food. Go get your food. It's right there. Oh, no. Oh my goodness, this always makes me in a good mood watching this. Now she has taken over the entire feed bowls. You know, there are 3 of you guys and 1 of her. It's unbelievable. She really does run the farm around here. She's done. You over it, Henrietta? Now, what recently has happened is the tree that was looming over this building right here, just waiting to fall, because that other half had fallen. I kind of showed you guys it in the video where I went and got the turkeys. This tree that was up there got cut down and placed over here for the time being. And that is directly where the goats want to be, where I put them up for the day to graze. And it's actually a pretty cool little spot. The kids have been having a blast with this. They call it their tree fort, so like this is their little entrance. You go in here, and it really is like this little, just surrounded by trees, this little fort. And the goats, they haven't let them out to just run over here, but I don't know, we'll see how they do. Because goats hate change. They like routine, and when you mess up their routine, they freak out, they don't know what to do, they act like, you know, they've never been put out to pasture before. So we'll see how they do when I let them out. See if they're easy to leash up under those trees. Hey girls! Oh, I see. Oh, I just saw a chicken butt go in the goat pen. So there's this one chicken for sure, maybe 2, that keep going in their little goat house and laying eggs. Yes, I see you. She hasn't laid yet. I guarantee you there will be an egg in here by the afternoon. Let's see how they do this morning. It's the wrong way. Come on. Let's come over here. There's my little shadow. Come on, Pumpkin. Lucy, Loretta. Come on, Luce. Look at them climbing. Goats make me laugh. They're like a cross between a dog and a cat. This is too funny, guys. I was walking. Whoa, don't run over it. Loretta. I was walking and I happened to look down and found an egg. This is a guinea egg. It's a little bit smaller. Focus. Focus, focus. There we go. This is a guinea egg. It's a little smaller than a chicken egg. And the guineas just started laying. And randomly, like literally just sitting right there on the floor. It's like they just walk around, and as they walk, just poop out eggs and leave them everywhere. It is literally an Easter egg hunt every day. Alright, now I'm going to try and get these girls to come. I can't find their animal crackers, so I'm going to give them these, which hopefully it works. Here's the comparison of a guinea egg to a chicken egg. The guinea egg on the left is a lot smaller, and it's actually heavier. It's a lot more dense than the chicken egg. And when you go to crack the guinea egg, you really have to whack it. That thing is as hard as a rock. They're really hard to break. But they taste the same.